All right, so next part, 4, whatever. I had the wife come out, she helped me take the bonnet off this thing, and we stuck it up in the, it's on the roof there with some blankets and stuff. Hooked up the engine crane, load leveler, and there's a trolley jack under the transmission with a long piece of wood, and it's literally just resting on it. And that's so that when we pull the engine, it doesn't fall. And it's a plastic drain or plastic pan on the bottom of the transmission, so we don't want to damage anything. And that's pretty much it. It's ready to go. I did pull the two. I'll show you. So I did pull the two 16mm nuts off the engine mounts. Easy peasy. That was the only thing really holding it in. I hope if we did a good job and we got all the wires and everything out of the way, then we should be in good shape. There's two transmission lines that run down the driver's side. They screw into the block in two spots. They're unscrewed, but they go right into the transmission, so you have to be kind of mindful when you're pulling this thing out that you push those out of the way. Other than that, we're pretty much ready to go. I popped the exhaust off. I left the O2 sensors in there. Hopefully that doesn't bite me in the ass and I break them. But yeah, that's it. I mean, we're pretty much ready to go here. Yeah, let's do it. I mean, it's not going to do it itself. One of my wires got caught on the freaking O2 sensor. I knew I was going to bite me in the ass. Let me unhook this guy. There we go. He just got caught in the cam. Oh shit. Freaking antifreeze on the floor. That shit's slippy. Looks like we did a good job. We're going to pull back a touch without busting the radiator. Always make sure your torque converter doesn't come out, because that would suck. Okay. That's it. We're free. Yep. We did a good job. And when you're using one of these, top trick for you, it's going to come up like that, right? So you got to be mindful that nothing comes in and hits the radiator and busts it on you. We've got about a 2-inch gap there. Just make sure you don't, you don't want to be buying a radiator either, so. Yeah, we're good to go. Clear. I gotta open my garage door and it's bloody freezing out here. I thought it was gonna be warmer today, but it's like 45, but tomorrow it's gonna be 70. And be gentle. Don't go hoofing this around. I like to have it nice and low to the ground when you're moving it, just in case it, something falls off or breaks. You just be careful. There we go. Shut my door. But there's your motor. So I did get another one. It's coming from California, so it's going to be a while. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. They're shipping it freight, so. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. This one, I'm going to pull the head off it, see if I can save the head, because I'll sell that on eBay. So yeah, I'm just going to do some work to this thing. I'm not really going to record it. At no point. It's just pulling a head, right? But yeah, so that's it. That's taking an engine out of a 320. There's not much to it. It's a very easy job. With the 4 hours from yesterday and the day before, this took about 20 minutes. 22 minutes. So, and that's me dicking around and having to get the engine crane out and all that stuff. So, not bad. Easy job. Next video will be getting the new one in.